All right, Terry, thank you so much. Those looked great. And now I'm going to actually show you how to mail a postcard from Simply Postcards web application. So you go over here, click Create a Postcard. You have the option to either create a new postcard, or if you were working on a postcard previously, you can click that. I'm going to go ahead and click on the postcard that I was previously working on. So on the left side, you'll see easy to navigate buttons that will take you through the process of mailing a postcard. You have two options. When you click choose a photo, you can select from any of your photos on your hard drive. You can either mail out a custom design that you created in Photoshop, similar to what Terry just did, or you can actually choose any one of your images and apply a custom border. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. I'm going to click on an image from Lynn Michelle, photographer from Dallas, Texas. And now, in order to apply a Simply border that we saved as a transparent PNG, I'm going to go down to the Simply Borders option. You can also choose from any of the borders that we created and actually baked into the app. So we've got a number of different options there. If you have a custom, you'll choose a file. I've got this saved down to my desktop. Nice to meet you. That, and I'm going to upload it to the web application. It's going to be a similar process when you're using the mobile application. You're going to send this to yourself in an email and save it down to your camera roll. Once you've selected the image, you select choose a Simply border, a custom border, and it's going to apply it to the image similar to what we just saw in the web application. So we've got our custom border and we've applied it to our image. And like Terry mentioned, the nice thing about this is you can create it once, save it down to your desktop, and easily watermark or brand any image over and over again without having to open up Photoshop every time. So it's kind of a really nice feature. I'm going to go ahead and add a message to my postcard. So I've already got my message in here. You can tweak the font, you can tweak the size. I'm actually going to change the color to show a nice red. Save my message. You can select addresses. So you can either select from a contact you've already input previously in the contact section. You can add a contact on the fly. Or I've already got our happy couple saved down their address, so I'm going to add that right here. Carolyn and Henry in Hawaii. Select a mailing date. So we're going to want to mail this out tomorrow, so it arrives in 3 or 4 days. So we have a really nice feature, a set it and forget it feature. So any date throughout the rest of the year or upcoming years, if you want, you can select a date and we'll mail it at that time. So I'm going to select March 17th. It's going to be mailed tomorrow. And then you have a final option to go ahead and preview your postcard. So it's running off a little bit, but it should look good when it's printed. We have our message, our return address, and our to address. And then you have the final confirmation of when it's going to be mailed on March 17th. So once you mail a postcard, going to generate your postcard. We'll receive it, and we're going to mail it out the next morning. So there you are. Congrats, your postcard's been received, and it will be mailed tomorrow morning. The second option you have is to actually pull in one of your custom designs. So I'm going to clear our postcard, choose from Terry's custom design, and this is ready to go. Now all you need to do is add your message, select your addresses, select a mailing date, and we'll go ahead and mail that out just as we would the image with the custom border. So that's how you mail a postcard from Simply Postcards web application. Thank you very much for attending our webinar today. We're actually going to give you a promo code good for 5 free postcards to test drive Simply Postcards. If you input the code Simply5, where we show you on the drop-down box behind your name, your account will be credited for 5 free postcards. If you want any more information or to download Terry's templates, you can go to simplypostcards.net/photographers, and all that information will be located on our site. Thank you very much.